Brockhampton is an American hip-hop boy band founded as AliveSinceForever in San Marcos, Texas, United States, in 2010. In 2014, the band rebranded as Brockhampton. Led by Kevin Abstract and formed partially through the online forum KanyeToThe, Brockhampton is a self-described boy band, so-called in an effort to redefine the term. Complex magazine describes the group as gay, black, white, ambitious, all-inclusive, and would-be pop stars, and this diversity is what largely distinguishes their lyrics and sound. The group consists of vocalists Kevin Abstract, Matt Champion, Merlyn Wood, and Dom McLennon, vocalists producers Joba, Bearface, and Jabari Manwa and producers Romil Hemnani and Kiko Merley, as well as graphic designer Henock Sileshi, photographer Ashlan Grey, web designer Roberto Ontenient, and manager Jon Nunes. The group released their first mixtape All-American Trash in 2016. Their debut studio album, Saturation, was released on June 9, 2017, followed by Saturation 2 on August 25 and Saturation 3 on December 15. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.